bahasa dunia Mukti untuk membuka acara ini.
Harus Inggris.
Inggris.
Hola, senor, buenos días. Sera.
Present Rafa dong, present Rafa.
Please welcome
Break up.
young boys from Central Java. This is Rafael Strike.
Thank you.
It's right from your grandpa from Semarang kan, Central Java ya.
Yes. Okay, then communicate in Japanese
ya.
then. Try.
Pakai bahasa Jawa coba.
Pakai Jawa.
Coba.
Kau ngerti lumpia? Nggak tahu deh.
Gimana
Tapi
dong,
lumpia, you know lumpia?
Ano lumpia?
Oh, ada lumpia.
Iya.
Apa
You know,
mana ya?
Tukul Arwana. You from Semarang, this funny comedian ya.
But you also funny
You
ya?
also funny?
Thank you man.
I ask you. I don't.
Dia nanya ke lu, lu lucu juga nggak?
Nggak bisa, not self-proclaim.
No.
Not self-proclaim.
Self-proclaim.
Self-claim.
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 Bentar bang, saya kasih ke netizen dulu ya.
Oke.
Jangan serang saya kayak Mamat ya. Saya nggak mencoba.
Tapi gue ini juga mau ngasih tau
Iya,
Des, ini di tag sebelum tim nasional Indonesia main lawan Singapura ya.
Ya.
Indonesia main lawan Singapura ini kita nge-tag sebelum pertandingan itu.
Sebelum.
Ya.
Jadi mohon maaf kalau semoga Indonesia udah menang. nanti.
Amin.
Main udah menang. Gitu. Nah kita langsung ngobrol lebih dalam sama Rafael Strike langsung di Bedah Sampai Clear. Nah sebenarnya
Ya.
pertanyaan yang paling dasar banyak orang yang untuk ngomong nama panjang Rafael tuh bingung.
Yes.
Apa
Yeah.
pronunciation-nya. There's so many Indonesians, quite hard to pronounce
Yeah,
your
my
full
name.
name.
Yes.
Maybe you can explain for the Vivian-Dedes.
Like the proper way to say.
Full name.
Full name.
Full name.
So my full name is Rafael Struik.
Strike.
Strike.
Struik.
That's very Dutch. That's very hard for me. Very hard.
So more easy for you guys, just Rafa.
Rafa, okay? Nadal. No?
Like this. I like to play tennis
Oh,
actually.
you do? Okay, we can play together then.
Okay.
You play paddle?
Yeah, sometimes also.
Do you play tennis?
I very good for play fit team.
You understand?
Sorry. Bang, tanyain juga bang.
Apa?
Penyebutan pelafalan nama pemain itu kan dilakukan juga di Liga Inggris tuh sebelum kompetisi biasanya. Harusnya Indonesia juga bikin untuk penyebutan nama-nama pemain asli Indo gitu.
Harusnya.
Apalagi yang Jawa gitu.
Contohnya mas?
Ahmad Nurpantoro, gitu. Marjono,
Emang kita gitu?
Sugianto gitu. Karena teman-teman yang dari luar kan nyebut nama orang Indonesia juga susah kan.
Tahu ya.
Before the Premier League or the European League starts, all the players, record the video to pronounce their name.
Oh yes. And they make memes of this.
Yeah.
Tanyain aja bang, mungkin nama temannya di Dewa United yang susah dia sebut siapa?
So is
Ini
there
kayaknya bikin mereka berantem nih kalau ini.
No, but is there any your teammates' names who really hard for you to pronounce?
Local names.
Local names.
Yeah.
Oh, not really. I think.
Yeah, I mean,
Anak
pretty
zaman
easy to
sekarang
name.
mah.
Pretty easy. I think. Not really difficult names.
Nggak ada yang susah Mas Mu.
Oh, oke.
Ada yang mau nanya lagi?
Udah.
Udah, closing udah.
You have any examples?
Contoh. Example contohnya kasih tahu. Yang susah.
Coba dia disuruh ngomong Bambang Pamungkas bisa nggak?
Oh, that's
Ini
easy.
easy lah.
Pamungkas.
Coba dulu. Bambang Pamungkas
Pamungkas.
easy, right?
Yeah, Pamungkas.
Ya kan? Pamungkas.
Apalagi coba?
Budi Sudarsono. Try.
Coba itu agak ribet tuh.
Budi Sudarsono.
Budi Sudarsono.
Very good.
Oke. Ya kita ngerjain Rafa tapi ya. Tapi ya coba kita.
Giliran kita disuruh ngomong Belanda juga kelar kita. If you tell us to pronounce Dutch names, we're also done.
Yeah.
Like what's a difficult one in Dutch?
Oh, difficult.
Van Haan.
Virgil van Dijk.
Van Dijk.
Easy.
Easy.
Frankie de Jong.
Frankie de Jong.
Oh, there's the one Dutch players who, when he joined the Man United, all the people spell wrongly. Daily Blind.
Daily Blind.
Yeah. Everyone here Daily Blind.
Blind.
Oh, blind. But
Blind
then,
There was a meme, you remember their backline? Blind, small, and young.
Yes. Back then.
I know this one.
Yeah, that's one. Daily Blind.
Oh, nama bapak saya aja coba.
Siapa,
Pak.
coba,
Nama
Pak?
bapak saya coba. Bapak saya namanya Pak Yanto. Coba.
Coba Pak Yanto.
Pak Yanto.
Wah bisa.
His
Rafael tuh
father.
dapat salam dari Rafael. Iya. Karena dia ada Semarangnya bang, jadi mungkin
Semarang.
kalau pelafalan bahasa Jawa,
Dia dari lahir di Belanda.
ya, blood is blood. Japanese blood is more blood
Because
than
he
blood. Like,
Apa itu bahasa Inggris?
Mukti
Lebih
believe
darah.
that you can spell correctly because you still have like Japanese blood.
Japanese
Yes, of
blood.
course.
Yes, man. I Japanese blood too. Okay, man. Yes. Jong Java, man.
Oke, coba Mok, yang bawah coba.
Ya, coba.
Yang bawah.
Rafa, so you have started. I mean, you faded. You've
Okay, okay.
started pre-season training for the new season, right?
Okay, yes, I've started preseason. Yesterday we had our second friendly match already. I think we've been in preseason now. 2.5 weeks. I think.
Well, that's pretty long.
Yeah, but I think it's good.
Well, you start very early then. Like, for example, the other
Yeah.
teams, they start at a little bit later than your team.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't know about this, but I think our total preseason until the competition starts is 7 weeks, 8 weeks.
With the new coach already.
Yeah, with the new coach.
Ah, okay, maybe that's why. New coach.
Yeah, I
Right,
think
right,
so
right, right.
because he needs time, of course, to
Adapt.
adapt.
Also his first time in the Indonesian league, right?
Yeah.
He was in
Yes,
Thailand
before
before.
this Thailand.
Iran,
So
okay.
Yeah, maybe he's not surprising at all because Thailand and Indonesia mostly the same. Like the hot, the humid,
Yeah,
the
yeah,
people
yeah,
as
yeah.
well.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
I
The
heard the
climate.
league is different. Very
Yeah.
different.
The one in Thailand.
Yeah.
The one he makes shocking maybe is like, wow, the players, the league is quite different lah. I mean like Thailand is, kenapa senyumnya kayak gitu ke gua?
Enggak, gue lagi mencoba menebak aja isi
Kan
pikir.
gue cuma bilang pasti kayak wah ini masih menyelesaikan
Infrastrukturnya.
infrastruktur.
The infrastructure is a bit
Yes.
different.
Dan yang bikin dia kaget adalah fansnya pasti kan.
Iya.
Fans di Indonesia kan luar biasa
Iya,
fanatik ya.
antusias. Kalau di Thailand kayaknya lebih sopan-sopan.
Kapan? Gue pernah
Gitu.
jadi komentator Liga Thailand.
Gimana nyebut nama pemainnya?
Ngai.
He was a commentator for the
For
Thai
Thai
League.
League. When back in 2020 when COVID,
Yeah.
so everything's online. So I do the Indonesia commentary for Thailand League and also Singapore League and Kuwait League.
Kuwait.
Yes.
Who watches the Kuwait League?
I don't know as
Oh,
long as
Kuwait.
Kuwait.
I thought quiet.
Yeah, no, Kuwait.
Must be quiet. The stadium's there.
I don't care who's watching, as long as I got paid, it's okay.
That
lah.
is true, that
It's
is true.
okay, as long as I got paid, it's okay. But senyum.
Kayak di Malioboro.
Prawiro Taman.
Netizen jangan diserang ya, aku
Gini.
paham nih saya.
Nih, Muk,
Ya, ya.
lo nanya pakai bahasa Indonesia, pasti Rafa bisa jawab langsung.
Nah, coba.
Emang iya?
Iya beneran.
Iya,
Coba.
iya,
He will ask the questions.
Okay.
In bahasa you can just answer.
Oke, nah Rafa, setelah satu musim berjalan, apakah Dewa United sejauh ini sesuai dengan ekspektasimu?
Yes, my first season, of course, was adapting, because it was living in Indonesia for the first time. Yeah, for me, to be honest, I like it at Dewa United. I like the area also, BSD City, Tangerang. For me, it's good to live there.
Tangerang.
Ciledug.
Same, yeah.
Same.
But for me, I think the hardest are the away games, to be honest.
Right.
Because then sometimes you come to, a bit different,
Yeah. Far away.
far away, sometimes maybe some worse facilities,
Yeah.
Of course, it's all part of it, but for me, it's the first time, so that was adapting a lot. But so far, I'm happy.
Okay. I mean, Dewa has one of the. I support your rival team, by the way. I support Persita, but I have to give credit where it's due. Dewa has one of the best training facility in the country.
Yeah,
for me.
that's also what they tell me before. Like you have Dewa, maybe Bali,
Yeah,
Bali
Bali.
United
Yeah.
also. It's like top,
Top, yeah.
And then when you go to other facilities, maybe it's a bit
Different.
different, But
Some better, some worse.
Yeah.
That's true, yeah.
Apa contohnya yang bad itu tadi?
Yang
Facility
bad.
kurang, menurut dia yang kurang apa?
Yeah.
Coba.
Do you remember like one of the cities you went to in the infrastructure,
Yes.
not the city, not the club?
yeah.
It's a bit lacking. Do you remember?
I don't remember which team this was, but it was in the beginning of the season, and we became 2 days before the match.
Yeah.
And then we have training in the stadium already.
Inside the stadium.
Inside the stadium.
So it's the
Yeah.
official training.
Yeah, the official training. So we go in the locker room.
Yeah.
There was nothing there.
Padang kali ya?
I think this, yeah, Padang.
Oh yeah, but because one of your players
Yeah,
actually posted
somebody-
on
it
Nick
went viral.
Kuipers,
Yeah,
I
yeah,
think.
yeah.
Yeah, and then they gave you like rice or whatever.
Yeah,
Padang
so there was just chairs. the shower was not the best and the pitch was not the best, but
Yeah, it's
we also lost the game, so that didn't help as well.
Nah, obviously not.
So
Coming from
and
the
that was I
Netherlands.
think that was my first away game,
Must be a
if I'm
shock.
not mistaken.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was.
What was in your mind? Like, oh, why did I come here? Was that
No,
like-
not like this, but like the other players and mostly the local players were like making fun of me, like welcome to Indonesia. So yeah,
okay.
it was yeah.
I think that's one of the things the league and the federation have to fix, the infrastructure.
Yeah, of course, but it's also I think a little bit part of it, So
Yeah.
I'm not here to like blame or like say that it's bad, but that for me that was one thing that really is different, from
Yeah,
Europe.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, coming from the Netherlands,
Yeah.
especially. Yeah.
And before that in Australia,
Oh,
the
yeah.
facilities,
Brisbane, yeah.
yeah, the facilities there also, good.
Yeah.
So.
Ya, that's why misalnya yang infrastruktur di sepak bola Indonesia emang masih ditingkatkan lah ya.
Masih
Semuanya.
berprogres bang. Beberapa
Berprogres.
stadion juga sudah dibenahi kan sekarang.
Benar.
So he's a PSM supporter, and his
Yes.
stadium in Yogyakarta,
Yes.
they don't have any lights,
Let's.
so they cannot play at night.
What, until today?
We play net
Really?
Inner Beauty from the apa?
They don't have lights.
The lights ya.
Beneran ini?
Iya beneran aja.
Sampai hari ini?
Ya jadi sejauh ini sih katanya itu fix emang sudah dalam penanganan kasus.
Nah,
Di-
Padahal tinggal masang lampu kok kasus ya?
Tapi enggak lampu juga ternyata tribunnya itu kalau nggak salah ya teman-teman, kalau salah tolong dibenerin. Itu kan ada 2 lantai. Yang lantai atas tuh infrastrukturnya kalau dipakai full
roboh.
bisa roboh.
Oh, that's
ternyata
dangerous.
dangerous. Makanya sekarang PSM pakai Sultan Agung kan.
Iya,
Dan Sultan Agung dibangun juga sama PSM, dikasih single seat, dipasang lampu.
Dirapiin,
oke.
ya.
Oh, bagus lah.
Tapi lebih enak di Sultan Agung atau yang di
Ya jelas marwahnya PSM ya di kota.
Ya, sama kayak Persita main sama di Banten beda. Harus main di Banten is in the middle of the forest, is it?
Yeah, actually that's our.
Your
it's
home
base.
It's so far,
I know. I've been there once. I know.
Yeah, because his stadium, his club stadium is in Yogyakarta. Apa namanya? What's the name of the stadium?
Mandala Krida.
Mandala Krida.
Yes.
So there's not problem. I mean, like there's a corruption things over there.
Oh yeah.
So they corrupt even the lights, even the tribunes things.
Yes.
Yeah, it's
not
crazy.
Do you want to name names? Who's corrupting the budget? Do you want to tell me?
No, danger.
His friends.
No. Tapi kalau teman-teman mau ngikutin kasusnya kan itu udah resmi ya. Mungkin di berita udah ada.
Nggak ada.
Siapa namanya?
Cari aja sendiri. Cari aja sendiri. Iwan, cari aja sendiri. Ya kan?
Talking about so far, you've played in Dewa for 1 year, yeah?
Yeah.
Obviously, it's like you said, it's your adaptation period
Yeah.
with the new climate, lifestyle, and everything. So it's safe to say that you weren't very happy with your performance on the pitch last year, is it?
Yeah, so like apart from the infrastructure and everything, on the pitch, I played more than the season before, of course.
Yeah, you did.
But coming here, I thought like I would play like every game, and people were telling me, not that it would be easy, but like it would be good for you, like
Yeah.
play more, goals, assists. But to be honest, it's not that easy, the Indonesian league.
Very tight.
So it's also that is adapting for me, also with a lot of foreign players, a lot of Brazilians.
Yeah.
So that was adapting. So I think the first season was about adapting. I'm not really happy about everything that went on the pitch, but new season now, so.
Hopefully next season you score a lot of goals, but when
Yes.
you play Persita, 0 goal for you.
I think we play Persita in pre-season one time already, yeah? We going to
This
play
year?
them. No, we will play them in 2
Jogja,
weeks, I think.
probably. Oh no, 2 weeks,
weeks.
they'll be back from Yogyakarta.
Yeah, we play
somewhere near
in
it.
Indomilk, I think.
Indomilk, yeah.
So you should come watch.
I'll come and watch.
Okay.
Yuk kita nonton lah.
Ayo banget. I came and watched Persita against the Adiaksa. They changed your name into Isan
I played
Mulang.
Adayaxa yesterday. I played them.
Oh, you
yesterday.
played
Okay,
Yeah,
How was it?
we won 1-0.
but it's not Adiaksa anymore, is it?
No, it's
Isen Mulang.
Isen Mulang.
That team.
Because they put the name. I said, who is this? And then they tell me, they changed the name.
Oh, okay.
But there's another team that changed the name.
Oh, there's a lot. There's
Malut.
Malut United now.
Yeah,
It's
Java.
Java.
Java United.
Java United.
because now they're in Samarang. Huh?
Ya, in Semarang. Ya, in Jatidiri.
Langsung kita ke bahasan lanjut. Silakan Mas Mukti, lanjut.
How is the team preparing for the new season? Is there
Specific.
Is there a specific
there-
league position target that
Yes.
you're aiming for?
With the new coach,
With the new
obviously.
new coach? Yeah.
Yeah, we're just preparing now. Like our first focus is to get the new tactics from the new coach
Right.
to really learn them and adapt them to our style. But like really going for the championship or this, we haven't really spoken about this. Last year was really like that. We really spoke before the season like we want to become champion. That didn't end as expected. So this season, I think we just have to start first,
Right.
win one match, then go second match, and then
Game by
maybe
game.
game by game, and then later when you maybe are looking in the top of the table, then you can start speaking those kind of.
Because the year before, you finished second, Dewa United,
Yeah.
right? Yeah. Hopefully this year you can do well, but still under Persita.
Let's see.
Bang, tanyain bang.
Apa?
Apakah di pelatihnya yang baru ini dia mendapatkan posisi yang dia inginkan gitu?
Maksudnya posisi di lapangan.
Iya, di
lapangan.
posisi lapangan. ya.
So with your new coach, do you get the position that your favorite position
Yes.
under your new coach?
I think we should ask first though, what's your favorite position? Do you
Yes.
prefer playing in the middle or a little bit wider?
I would say my favorite position is left winger,
Left
Left
winger.
winger.
but I've always with the national team I've played a lot striker.
Right, yeah.
At ADO I've played right winger as well.
Okay.
I've played number 10.
Okay.
So
anywhere
it's
in the
like
offense.
those 4 attacking positions. I'm comfortable, but if I have to choose one, I would say left winger.
Left winger.
Wing.
And he's asking next season, with how it's looking in your team,
Yeah.
are you gonna get your favorite position or is the coach gonna put you somewhere else?
Oh, yesterday I played right winger actually.
Okay.
So, and the game before that I played striker. So I think now it's just looking a bit like
Yeah, preseason.
Preseason.
precision,
yeah,
you know.
preseason.
But I think maybe after 3-4 weeks I can tell you that
Okay.
next year I'll play there, you know.
All right, I'll watch you the game against
Okay.
Persita. We'll see where you play.
Yeah.
Ya sudah kan kiri kanan, ya namanya juga preseason.
Iya.
Preseason, yeah. Try
Coba-coba
everything.
terus.
Yang
ya.
Yeah, it's a bit like testing as well.
Testing,
ya,
ya.
testing everything.
True.
Gitu.
Apa posisi aneh yang pernah dimainkan Rafa?
What's your weirdest positions that you ever played?
Oh.
Goalkeeper. Never.
Defender, producer.
Producer.
Kenapa produser?
Oh, like that. Producer.
Kalau tiba-tiba Rafa jadi produser di tim juga aneh kan? Iya, selalu aneh.
Your
No.
weirdest position that the
Worst
coach said,
position?
you play in this position? Huh?
Yeah.
Defender
I've come
or
on like
goalkeeper?
there was this match. I think it was at ADO. We were losing 1-0, I think. So coach, I was doing my warm up, and coach tells me you're coming in as right back. I look at it like, huh? And then he said to me, yeah, but the right, we are going to attack a lot, you know, and you're going to go high, give a lot of crosses. So I think, okay.
But does he tell you to defend as well?
And then when I come in, I only defend.
Prank.
Dia kan usaha ya kan. Coach Chelsea bilang kayak, bisa kali ini ya. Udahlah,
Yeah.
counter attack dari sisi kanan. Crossing, ternyata lawannya pressing.
He moves over. No, stay.
Yeah.
But in the end, ada win or still
We draw 1-1.
1-1?
Okay. Positive impact.
Positive
It was
impact.
okay.
Positive impact. Tapi kalau kemarin Vivi Nedes juga ngelihat salah satu postingannya Dewa United.
Dewa ya.
Ternyata beliau nih sama kayak saya juga takut
Takut dia
disuntik ya kan. Takut nih disuntik. Mas Muti takut suntik nggak? Pas SD kan ada ini kan apa namanya
Oh, enggak.
vaksin.
Enggak bang, saya dapat susu. Dapat susu kalau di SD ku kalau disuntik.
Oh, jadi nggak takut?
Enggak takut sih karena dapat susu tadi.
Iya, ini ada video Rafa itu pas mau disuntik dia takut. Kita putar dulu kali ya. Nih kita putar nih.
Needle phobia.
Needle phobia. Your face.
Very, very worried.
Okay, let me explain first.
Okay, please.
So I was sitting here and the camera was there,
Yeah.
but there was like one teammate. I think it was Nick actually,
Yeah.
Nick Kuipers.
Kuipers.
And he was doing like kind of making fun of me. So I was doing like funny face to him. And then he was recording me.
Oh, so you weren't actually scared?
No, I was not
Oh,
scared.
Berani dia.
But
Oh.
and then like the day after, I saw it on social media. So I go to the media guys from Dewa. I say, why you post this? And they say, yeah, viral.
Tapi ternyata aslinya Rafa nggak takut suntik. Takut jarum.
Gue tatoan tapi gue takut jarum suntik.
Ah, gimana ceritanya sih?
I have few tattoos, but I'm scared of injections.
You scared?
Yeah, I'm
But you have
scared.
tattoos.
I have quite a few, but I'm scared of injections.
But when you do the tattoos, what do you
Yeah,
do?
it's different because with injection it really goes in, right?
Oh, I mean like same like when you do the physio. There's sometimes you need to dry
Yeah,
needles.
the dry needles.
Oh, I never try to do that.
But dry needles different
It's
than like
okay, it's
like
okay, yeah.
No, jadi there's one time that, when I do the physio, there's one guy. He's a celebrity,
Okay.
actor, quite famous. Same
I know the guy.
gym with me. You probably
okay.
know the guy.
Probably I know the
And
guy.
then he said like, no, it's not hurt. It's not. It's fine. It's fine. We go to on the same area but different room.
Okay.
And then he start doing the dry needling. And he's like, he's like, dude, like seriously, you say that it's not. Starting from that, I don't believe it's not hurt so hard.
I mean, it depends. If they get like the proper area where you're injured, of course it hurts.
Yeah.
yeah, it depends which area as well. You
Yeah,
know?
yeah, yeah.
You have tattoo, Rafa?
No tattoo.
No tattoo.
With physiotherapy, what I hate is the shockwave therapy. You know,
Yeah.
like with the electricity shockwave.
Yeah.
Oh, I hate it.
Yeah, that's not. It's
Nah,
not
I
nice.
hate that one.
It helps, but it's not nice.
Yeah, not nice, right? It's not nice, right?
It's not nice. If you takut apa?
Scared.
The tattoo, you make a tattoo komeng.
Tattoo komeng.
Ada
Oh, yang pakai
long
sleeve.
sama
sleeve tattoo.
Emang namanya komeng?
Kan itu kan
you,
orang
you have tattoo?
No,
No
I don't have tattoo because wudu not sah.
Religious belief.
Yeah, wudu not sah ya.
You do not sah.
Nah, it's okay. Tapi emang kalau orang jarum sih ada sih yang bentukannya enggak. Karena gue ngelihat orang takut jarum pas lagi vaksin COVID waktu itu.
Iya.
Itu gue lagi ngantri, aduh gagah banget gitu. Wah, si datang udah petantang-petenteng ya kan, Pak bawa pouch gitu. Wah,
Kenapa bawa pouch?
orang
Orang have.
duduk pas mau disuntik teriak kan
Teriaknya
satu orangnya kayak
tetap gagah nggak tapi?
enggak dong.
So Rafa, what you phobia?
Fobia apa?
My phobia with
you-
what I'm scared for.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's gotta be something, man.
Nothing.
Nothing.
I don't know. Not really something. Maybe snakes.
Oh, so we're the same.
snakes, yeah.
Oh, snakes are the worst.
And I don't like spiders and stuff. You know,
Oh, okay.
Ya.
like this.
Spiders.
Arachnofobia jadinya.
Hah?
Kan kalau spider kalau nggak salah arachnofobia.
Yeah, I think something like that.
Gue ingetnya tuh film sih.
You.
Huh? I phobia not have money.
All of us.
Your phobia cicilan tiap bulan ya?
Yes.
Cicilan tiap bulan.
KPR, itu phobia.
Kenapa jadi bahasa Inggris?
But I mean like you live in BSD area, right? I mean there's a nice area to live and
Yeah.
then there's a lot of stuff there. You don't need to go to Jakarta to do something. What's the most favorite restaurant in BSD?
Right, yeah. Well, I need this too.
Yeah. And there's a lot of viral restaurants
Yeah.
in BSD right now. I mean like
A lot.
TikTok, Instagram, and then sometimes it's like queuing whatever.
Yeah.
But yeah,
You try what?
your regular restaurant. Okay.
Where do you normally go? The
Yeah,
Breeze, for example.
I mean like I want to eat. Let's go to this place.
We go to NOB. You know, NOB.
oh yeah, in
Oh,
Breeze.
NOB.
There we go.
That's actually
a lot
really
of
NOB.
times. You know.
Iya tahu. I try.
Which one? What is the Aina?
What
I
call?
ask my
Yeah.
Yara.
Yara.
You know Yara?
Is it like the Thai food? No, it's not.
No, it's like
Oh, Yara is. That's very close to my house. They have like, what do you call it? Puffertjes?
yes.
Whatever. That one's
Because
good.
puffertjes is
I know.
from Belanda.
Yeah,
You know?
near the supermarket.
Yes.
Yeah, that's good. Yara.
Yara BSD tulis.
Best.
coba.
Yara
Gading
BSD.
Serpong
Ya,
sebenarnya.
Yes, that's
Yara
one.
Lidi.
iya.
Yara.
Tiramisu is also very good.
This one, eh?
Yeah, good place.
Oh, and
There we go a lot, but more for lunch
Lunch, yeah.
and for dinner.
ya buat Yara bisa
NOB.
dikirimin ke sini kita bikin viral. Karena kita pernah dikirimin ini apa namanya?
Imam Babaturan.
Babaturan dari Bandung.
Bandung.
Gara-gara kita bercandain mulu. Beneran dikirimin, Dre.
Kirimin dong.
Oh, berarti itu ya.
Bakso.
I like.
Bakso. Mie ayam?
But not too much because if people see me, they say, not healthy.
Yeah, true.
But I mean like your.
So I don't eat it.
Yeah.
Only the tiramisu.
But I mean like
On holiday.
on holiday.
Holiday.
For you, I mean like there isn't any like pre-match meal for you before the game. What do you
Yes.
eat? I mean like.
My regular pre-match meal, always used to eat like pasta or spaghetti.
Carbs.
But nowadays it's mostly just white rice with chicken and vegetables because that's at the club, you know.
Oh yeah.
Oh, with rice and chicken.
Lu mau nanya apa lagi nih? Lagi ngomongin makanan nih. Lagi makanan. Lu mau nawarin makanan apa ke dia gitu nggak?
Waktu Dewa away in Jogja, you eat sate kelatak?
No, I don't eat.
Gudeg?
No.
No ya? Oh.
Kan kalau lagi tanding kan profesional.
Iya, masa dia mau
Professional,
tanding
come on.
makan
Gudeg.
Ada
We
aja
only
pemain
eat
aku lihat di warung.
in the hotel, you know. Only in
In
the
hotel
hotel.
ya?
Yeah.
Ada bang yang kamu lihat di warung?
Ada.
Siapa namanya kalau belum tahu?
Danger. No.
He knows some of the player
Yeah.
who doesn't eat healthy food. He go to the
Before
warung.
the match.
Yeah, he go to warung.
Just
Yeah.
human.
People,
man.
No, you have them definitely.
Yeah.
But for-
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
Yeah.
Oh, tanyain bang, dulu kan Rafa pernah viral tuh yang makan
Yes.
instant mie.
Yeah, I mean,
In the plane, huh?
In blend ya, bisa diceritain.
Cup noodles.
So this was actually, we played against Vietnam
Yeah.
at home.
Yeah.
We won 1-0, but after that I was so sick. So the team traveled to Vietnam, and I had to stay. I think Ivar was also sick. Sandy Walsh was sick.
I remember that.
A lot.
Yeah.
So we all stayed there, but I was better 1 or 2 days before the next match. That was Vietnam away.
Yeah.
So I fly on my own, but I was still not feeling that well, and I haven't eaten for like 6-7 hours. So then I ordered this, I eat, I'm so hungry, so it was good. And then I see later, I think someone sent me, hey, you're viral. I said, viral for what?
For eating
And then
noodles.
for eating noodles. I like, what?
Because when you eat noodle in the plane, all people in the plane will smell.
Yeah.
The
Oh, that's
smell,
true.
I really like, kayak naik pesawat itu ada yang pesan kayak, masa nggak pesan sih?
Yeah.
When one people order noodles
Yeah.
in the flight, the other people will order as well.
Yeah, because they smell,
the
huh?
smell is like
Smells ya. It's
so
normally.
good.
Do you know who recorded you?
No, I don't know. I think, like, I didn't notice it either.
Oh,
so
okay.
I don't know.
Must be quite a shock.
Yeah.
Viral for noodles.
So I mean like the people who in Indonesia is always like record something and post it
Yeah.
without your permissions. I mean like
Yeah.
you probably is
Yeah.
gonna be like in the first maybe you will like shocking. I mean
Yeah.
like it's quite different. Because
Yeah.
in Europe you will ask permission first.
Yeah,
before
Of
you post,
course,
right?
yeah.
It's very different, but I'm a bit used to it now. So now when I'm like in public, I really like think twice before I do something, you know.
Because normally they do it out of love. You know
Yeah,
what
yeah,
I mean?
yeah.
They don't have any bad intentions.
So I don't blame them as well.
Yeah,
but
yeah,
it's more for like things like this, you know.
Yeah.
When you want to eat noodles, how you gonna hide?
I eat noodles at home.
Tapi hal yang wajar kalau di pesawat terus pesen cup noodle karena kalau mau mampir kan nggak bisa pesawat. Kalau bis bisa.
Drive-thru noodles.
Lagi mau lo apa gue yang nanya nih?
Apa?
Ini pertanyaan
Ini aja, bahasa Inggris karena ada bahasa Yunaninya.
Oh, Oke.
Silakan masuk.
There were rumors connecting you to Cyprus club Lakracha. Can you tell us the real story behind that? Is it true?
Bentar,
or not?
masa bukti kenapa mesti kayak that gitu?
Karena ke bawah Cicio kan orang Itali kalau ngomong ada ini ya. Ada gesturnya.
That gitu.
Ya,
Gue juga nggak begini.
Ya, gitu.
Yeah, well, there's a rumors about you
So-
join the Cyprus.
You want the real story or a nice story?
The real one.
Real one.
The real one is fake.
Oh, it's
Hey.
fake.
I didn't know anything about it.
Okay.
So I think I was in Netherlands actually on my holiday. I woke up and I see this on Instagram. Like, what's this? I don't know about nothing, so
And what's a nice story then?
yeah, I was just going to make something up.
All right, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Nah, it's fake.
Okay.
Oh, it's fake.
It's fake, jadi aja percaya. Karena kan zaman sekarang kalau misalkan di sosmed aja, gue kalau misalkan klub-klub Eropa, misalnya ada konten yang bikin si pemain ini komen A, gue kadang suka ngecek dulu
Iya,
karena
bener
kadang
nggak?
AI.
Yes.
AI.
Terus
Maybe.
yeah, sometimes it's just like just a fake stories or fake comments.
Yeah.
And then someone sees it, and then another person
Yeah.
takes it, and then another person. You know,
Yeah.
Yang paling lumayan rame itu adalah yang soal Jurgen Klopp yang katanya komen ketika Inggris kalah sama Argentina.
Ngomong apa nih?
Dia bilang kayak lu kalau main kayak gitu harusnya intinya tentang formasinya Tuchel lah.
Oke.
Dia bilang gitu. Terus habis itu Kloppnya langsung bikin konten. Enggak, itu bukan gue. Lu kayak yang ini lu fake ya, itu bohongan. Jadi
Fake
gua
news.
percaya.
Fake news.
Fake news.
Fake news
Yes.
Fake
everywhere.
But I think you have that a lot here.
Iya. Yeah, fake news and real news hidden.
Yeah, I mean Wikipedia. You open something, for example, about me, like somebody wrote I went to LSPR University. I've never even stepped foot in
Really?
LSPR.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Fake news.
Ya, dan I mean like ya, itu kejadian sama orang-orang fans Indonesia, apalagi fans sepak bola ya.
Iya.
Kan sangat militan ya.
Militan.
Like, Indonesia national team fan supporter in here, very passionate and everything. And then what your thoughts about Indonesia fans who really love the national teams?
Yeah.
I mean like when you play in international teams, it's quite different vibes. I mean.
Yeah, it's so different. I think you cannot really describe it or compare it to something else in the world. So yeah, I love them, the fans.
Yeah, of course.
They live for this, for
Yeah.
football. And as I'm saying, I think nowhere in the world is the same as the Indonesia fans,
You think?
especially for Timnas.
Yeah.
For Timnas, yeah.
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 I mean like in Europe, maybe when under 17 or under 20 plays.
Nobody cares.
Nobody cares.
And here you have full stadiums.
Yeah.
Yes.
Crazy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Even the under 17 Indonesia plays full.
Boleh. Under 17.
Under
A
17.
few years ago, crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy, man. Yeah, that's the difference Indonesia and Europe. I mean, for Europe, it's like, okay, under 20, 17, they just
Just
like,
waiting. Under 21 normally,
Yeah,
right?
I know,
They don't.
yeah.
They don't really care. True.
Yeah.
True.
What your
kenapa sih? Kenapa dia mau ketawa?
You already
Tanya
start
lah,
laughing.
ya.
Before talking.
What your chance from Indonesian supporter to you?
Sing artine.
Sing artine lagu apa yang kamu sukai sebagai supporter timnas?
I mean like, what's your favorite chance about you
favorite
from
chance.
Indonesian
Indonesian
supporters?
Or about Timnas, basically.
Timnas,
What?
yeah.
One more time?
Chance.
Chance.
The songs.
Oh,
Songs.
chance.
The chants, yeah.
Oh, what's my favorite one?
Like, Garuda, Deda.
That's the most famous one. Yeah.
Garuda. Yeah, this one.
Yeah, that one.
And then,
But the thing is, the whole match they make noise.
Yeah.
So it's not like 10 minutes they sing and then maybe stop the whole match.
The whole
I
match,
think
yeah.
this is what I like the most about them.
True.
It's just real.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Full of love.
Yeah.
tribun sana sama tribun
Yeah.
sana
Yes.
nyanyi sama.
Yeah.
You have also one that this tribune sings and then this
And
one
the
responds.
answers, yeah.
This one I like.
Yeah.
Which
Apa
one
tuh
is this?
lagunya? Iya. Yang tribun sini.
La
Ada
Grande.
chant,
Yeah,
terus ada
yeah,
ngejawab
yeah.
gitu.
They go back
Oh,
and forth.
saut-sautan
Kayak
ya.
di Turki. Apa ya itu lagunya?
Kayak
I don't know what the.
Ya, I don't know.
oh kalau di Italia kayak Forza Milan terus ya. Milan
sorry.
Campion.
Oh, yeah, that one.
Milan.
Wih,
Contoh.
iya lagi. Hey, no. Should I show my tattoo? Inter. No.
Forza Milan.
Iya lagi. Kan gue ngikutin.
Sempre Ale.
No.
Tapi biasanya yang diadaptasi chance dari Italia itu
Itali.
yang buat saut-sautan.
Turki juga sering kan kayak gitu.
Turki Turki Galatasaray, Fenerbahce very
Passionate.
passionate and
Yes.
And crazy.
berisik itu apa bang namanya?
Noise.
Noise. Kebab. Tapi sebenarnya paling berisik kalau nggak salah ya pernah diteliti ya fansnya Galatasaray katanya ya.
The decibel. in
Ya,
level.
apa tuh alat yang buat
Decibel.
Supporter from Galatasaray.
Yeah.
Ya, tapi Rafa di Liga kaget nggak dengan atmosfer supporter away yang sering teriak-teriak?
Kan away-nya nggak boleh.
Nah, kalau misalnya kalau
Nggak, dia
Oh,
yang
dia
away.
lagi away. Oke.
Do you, I mean like, do you, what's your expressions, what's your thought when you first time away play away and then see the supporters.
Yeah, they can be very mean, right?
Oh
Yeah.
yes. I think the craziest experience was Persija away.
In Senayan or Jis.
In
Do you remember?
in Jis.
Yeah.
I started doing warm up, but it was like next to
Supporter, right?
the hardcore.
Because
fans,
there's no running track, right?
Yeah.
Jis,
Yes.
very close.
So you were next to. I like this more. Actually.
yeah.
And then you start doing warm up, and then here it's all Persija fans. So they were just screaming at us like stuff I can't say now, but
Yeah.
bad words. And then I look and they start fighting with each other.
Why?
I don't know,
With each other?
but just everybody's punching each other. And I'm looking like, what is this? And then one falls over.
Really?
Crazy. And then all like police come and they like fix it. But I was like, what is this? You know.
Interesting.
One of the hell experiences.
So that was,
Interesting.
I think that was my craziest experience last year.
Last year. Yeah.
Jadi
Passionate.
tahun lalu nonton
Iya, yang berantem sendiri.
berantem sendiri. Oh tahu ya mas?
Enggak, tahu dari
Oh,
mana.
Gue juga baru tahu nih.
Tahu
Tahu
ya.
I've never heard of it.
Ya, karena kan pasti orang kalau nonton di TV kan.
That
ya,
was also my first time I see something like this.
I bet. I bet.
crazy man. Like the passion of Indonesia supporters is crazy.
Yeah.
Even though I mean like even the small clubs, same the supporters,
Yeah.
same the passionate. They can arguing with the clubs, do better. I mean like it's
Yeah.
Indonesia is a football country
Yes.
Football country.
compared to other Southeast Asia
Oh
country.
yeah,
right?
different compared to.
Difference is
yeah.
different. Even though me and Mukti last year watching the game in J-League, Japan,
Iya.
we went to Shimizu.
Osaka. Oh,
Shimizu
Shimizu.
Sports. And then we watched the game. It feels like normal, like tamasya.
Oh, it's just like a
Recreational,
day out.
yeah, day out, and very very sopan,
Very polite.
very polite, and like he's like, kok begini sih, kok nggak ada yang teriak-teriak?
I blend with Japanese people. I sing along. Hi, hi, hi.
What are the words? Words.
I don't know. Ikut aja, ngikut. Woi.
Ya tapi ya, the most important thing about football is when your team, when you support the team and then the team is score a goal,
Yeah.
everyone will hugging you.
Yeah.
Yeah, because
Universal, yeah.
we're from Indonesia and then we're in the J-League and the Shimizu score a goal. Everyone's like, wow, going crazy with us. Even though we don't know anyone.
Yeah.
That's the beauty of football.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You don't need to be
It's
brother.
No, it's football like unites
Unite.
people.
Unite.
Yeah.
You score the goal and everyone hugging everything.
Yeah.
That's crazy, man. Even though after that, the goal is disallowed because of sign. He's like,
Var.
far. We're like, yeah, disallowed. Like,
Ceritain bang, padahal saya pakai jersey yang beda di situ.
Oh iya, pakai jersey.
oh, yeah.
Pakai PSM saya.
He wear the PSM jersey.
Blue.
Blue.
In
The color
Japan.
is blue, yeah. In Shimizu, the
It's
color
orange.
is orange.
Orange.
Shimizu main lawan siapa?
Lawan Gamba Osaka.
Gambar
So Gamba is also blue.
Yeah.
It's like you're wearing the opponent
Iya.
shirt.
Yeah.
Tapi aman, maksudnya aku di tribunnya Shimizu pun nggak dicurigai sebagai fansnya
Karena
Gamba.
gaijin, dia bilang
Gaijin, foreigners.
Padahal aku udah
bule.
bilang, I'm Sion Suzuki.
Sion, tapi
the
Sion.
goalkeeper.
Sion Suzuki.
I know.
Okay.
Parma.
Like me, I like Shimizu Sports in J-League because when I was a kid playing Nintendo, I choose that club. I don't even know if there's a real club or not.
Oh, you don't know the players.
I don't know.
But the
I don't
stadium
know.
is beautiful with the view of Mount Fuji, right?
Yeah,
That
and
one.
then like
Yeah.
I was there, and then there's a one manga called Shoot.
Shoot.
He in Shizuoka and then Shimizu Sports.
Ah, okay.
And then so that's me. But for Rafa, maybe you have a favorite club in Netherlands?
In Netherlands, for ADO,
ADO.
my
ADO.
club, you know.
You grew up in the city.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's my city. I
Ah.
lived there all my life until I moved to Australia, of course. And now
Yeah.
Right.
Malaysia. But actually now they're back in the first league, so
Oh, they just got promoted.
yeah, they
there.
just got promoted. So I'm
Looking good.
excited, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. What about in Europe in general?
My favorite club in Europe, oh, it's difficult for me. I would say right now I enjoy watching Paris Saint-Germain.
Well, best team in the world,
Yeah.
hands down.
I enjoy watching them, but I'm not really like watching clubs, you know. I'm more watching for the players, you know. So I like
So your favorite players now? I mean like your.
right now, Doué,
Desiree
Di seri 2.
You see, yeah.
Dembele, Ousmane,
Quara.
Kvara also good. I also enjoy watching to Mbappe, of course.
Yeah,
It's normal.
No Dutch players. Frankie de Jong.
Yeah, but different, you know. Like I like to watch players bit same like in my
Oh,
position,
the
you know,
attacking
like
players.
more attacking players. But of course, Frankie de Jong, Gravenberg.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
say Gravenberg?
Gravenberg.
I can say that. I mean, it's fine. But Rafael,
It's like it's difficult.
yeah, that's why when I do the commentary and I pronounce your name, I only call you Rafael.
Yeah, more easy, yeah.
I mean, the safest one because
safest.
you know, netizen in Indonesia,
Yeah.
when you make a mistake, pronounce
Yeah, they
name,
make fun
they're
of
like,
you. Yeah.
Yes.
Rafael.
And one time I saw Milan, I think they posted Jakarta in Italians with a G, G-I-A, Jakarta, right? And they start fighting.
Oh, yeah?
What do you mean Jakarta? Well, because it's in Italian. Like Paris in Italian is Parigi, bukan Parigi Bintaro, bukan.
Itu perigi bang, itu perigi.
bukan.
Perigi arah ke Ciledug tuh emang.
Ciledug,
tuh,
iya.
tuh. Ada angkot yes. Ciledug Pondok Kacang tuh. Apa lagi mau ngomong apa?
No,
Kok
but
lo ragu-ragu sih?
Apa?
Apa?
Lanjut dulu aja.
Ya udah aja kita lanjutin
oke.
dong.
How do you deal with fans debates regarding Gadur calling? If thought there are many factors considered when calling up players. Kepanjangan nih, Mam.
I mean like when Garuda calling contents up and everyone
Yeah.
like debates
Which players?
which player in,
Yeah.
you know, there's a lot of debate. Yeah, it's football anyway.
Yeah.
How do you deal with that?
yeah, to be honest, I don't really look at social media too much.
Good.
Like it started all when I started playing here in Indonesia, you know. Social media is crazy. So in the beginning, I learned very quick that why look, you know.
Yeah.
Even like if they say good things, it's nice, but if they say bad things, for what, you know? So I don't really care about what the people say. For me, you know, I always want to play for Timnas. So if I'm not being caught up, it's always bad, you know? So, but that gives me extra motivation, you know, for the next time to like show myself, show what I can do. And yeah, I'm always ready to represent the national team. So.
Yeah, plus you're only 23. Are you 24, 23?
23, yeah.
Still very, very young.
Yeah.
Very long career.
Netizen emang aneh lah ya, kalau di sosial media komen. Kemarin gue siaran kan di Piala AFF tuh di salah satu YouTube channel itu lah, si Reza Arab. Terus ada yang komen kan kalah timnas lawan Vietnam ya, Indonesia kalah lawan Vietnam. Yang komen gini, nggak usah pakai dia lagi nih, gara-gara dia Indonesia kalah.
John Hartman kah Anda?
Kenapa saya? Kenapa saya?
He was doing commentary for Indonesia against Vietnam.
Yeah.
The team
match.
lost,
Yeah, lost.
and then some guy on social media was blaming it on
Comment
him.
on my post.
Don't call him again because of him. The team must lose. Like,
What the? Like seriously?
Yeah, but
Aku
that's
siapa?
they always have to say something, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They want to find someone to blame.
true.
Yeah, end of the day, whatever you do, somebody will always say something, you know. So,
Yeah.
If in Italy we blame the referee, always referee.
Gimana kalau di Italia?
in Indonesia, they also do that, I think.
Yeah.
There's a last week I guess I remember there's a viral videos, correct me if I'm wrong. Tarkam yang
Yeah.
wasitnya, there's a referee dikejar, like chasing by the fans.
I
You
didn't
know
see
the
it.
video?
I think.
Yeah, there's a one. It's not official. I mean, like it's like a
Tarkam. Do you know Tarkam?
it's like a friendly local tournament
Yeah.
Between
Tournament,
villages.
Yeah. and then-
Sunday League in
Sunday
Sunday
League.
League.
Sunday League.
Yeah.
But never play there, okay? Because they call the professional players. You should stick to the professional stuff. Trust me, they pay good money.
Yep.
And then there's a referee chasing by the fans.
Yeah.
You know,
Oh, yeah.
protest about the decisions of the referee. It's a football. I mean, like, but sometimes it's got don't too violent. It's crazy. Man.
That's not even football. That's criminal.
Yeah, I mean, like,
crime.
it's football. Tapi ya sebelum kita lanjut ngobrol lagi nih
Ya.
sama Rafa, gue mau nanya sama Mas Mukti.
Oke.
Kalau misalkan Mas Mukti punya kesempatan nih jadi pelatih Indonesia, kira-kira strategi kunci lu biar menang tuh apa?
Nah, kalau aku sih kuncinya di pertahanan, Bang. Karena mau penyerangan sebagus apapun, kalau lini belakangnya rapuh ya bakal gampang kebobolan.
Nah, mirip kulit kepala, cocok banget tuh ya. Apalagi kalau kulit kepala cowok ya.
Ya.
Mirip banget nih. Karena pas lagi totalitas dan keringetan, yang kesiksa duluan itu pertahanan kulitnya. Jadi gatal dikit aja, rencana taktik strategi buyar deh.
Nah, karena kata riset, kulit kepala pria itu secara alami lebih rentan minyakan dan ketombean dibanding wanita. Ibarat kata di lapangan, butuh bek tangguh di lini belakang. Makanya, bek nggak boleh sembarangan, pasang Clearman Ultra.
Nah, bener banget Mas Mukti. Karena dengan 3 times KBR Defense, Clearman Ultra siap jaga lini belakang kepala lo biar bebas ketombe dan lawan minyak berlebih.
Buruan deh, beli Clearman Ultra, jangan biarin ketombe rusak. Spotlight kalian buat tampil maksimal, tampil Ultra.
Clearman Ultra.
Clearman Ultra.
Ya kan?
Oh, by bahasa Inggris sekarang, Mas?
Bahasa Inggris ini panjang sih, cocok nih Mukti banget nih ya kan. Sebagai ahli bahasa dunia, ini sangat Mukti sekali nih.
Oh, Rafa belum
pertanyaannya.
tahu itu ahli komunikasi.
So Mukti is one of the expert. His expertise is he can speak a lot of language.
I in
Apa? Duolingo.
public speaking scene. Julukan tuh apa
scene.
julukan?
Apa?
Julukan apa?
Julukan alias apa?
AKA.
Nickname.
My nickname is Master of Public Speaking in the world.
Really?
Like a Messi in football.
Sounds
Oh,
like an alien, though.
Public speaking like
I mean like let's say.
But who gave him this nickname?
Himself.
himself, yes.
Himself?
Yes.
You know, there's a funny story with me and Mukti when last year when we in Tokyo, we eat curry, and then we want to order food, and then I asked him like, Mukti mau pesan apa lagi, and he choose eggplant.
Eggplant. yeah.
Eggplant.
He
Terong.
Oh, he
he
think
thought it's egg.
egg.
He thought it's egg. Bilang, Muk, ini terong, hah? Telur kali, terong mas Muk.
In around the world, egg is egg. In Japan, egg is
So
terong.
it's not your fault. It's the
It's
Yeah,
the
yeah. Egg is
their
egg.
fault.
eggplant. Gue, hah lu mau eggplant, lu mau terong.
Dikira apa ya?
Dikira telur.
Kok bisa ya?
Kan
Eggplantnya apa? Telur tumbuhan.
Kukira bahasa Inggrisnya apa? Kukira.
apa?
Kukira.
I thought.
I thought eggplant is egg no flavor.
Egg no flavor.
Just plain.
Plain.
Oh, eggplant. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Eggplant. Boiled egg.
Yeah.
Itu kayak dia kan mesen-mesen ini, terus kayak gue seminggu sama dia di Jepang udah tahu makanannya apaan, kari lagi, nasi kari. Masuk ada nasi kari enak masuk, dia mesen eggplant. Eggplant, lu mau
Tamago.
Lu terong.
Ada Rafa juga ya waktu di Jepang ya?
Ada, yang orang Osaka yang we play against Japan in Osaka.
Osaka.
You was there, right? You was there.
Yeah, 6-0.
6-0, yeah. 6-0.
Yes.
But Japan is very, very good, ya, Rafa.
Yeah, I played them a couple times already. I think first time was in Asia Cup,
Yeah.
Right. yeah.
2023. maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We lost 3-1, I think.
Yeah.
Then we meet them again 2 times for World Cup qualifier.
Senayan
Yeah,
once,
Senayan.
right?
Both lost them.
And then in Senayan, I remember it's raining in the first 15
Yeah,
minutes.
yeah.
And when it's raining, Japan they play really, kayak santai gitu loh. Kayak apa bilangnya kalau bahasa Inggrisnya?
Santai itu gimana?
Kayak
Chill.
Lu gak neken gitu lah. Lu nunggu
Oh,
hujan.
not a
dulu.
lot of pressing. They wait. They're
Yeah.
patient.
Not push.
And then I remember after the rain is
Nggak
stop,
neken, not push.
they play really good.
After rain.
And with rain,
Yeah,
like,
yeah,
they play,
yeah.
wow, it's quite different. It's two different teams.
Yeah,
When the rain is
Yeah.
stop, like Japan is like,
No, I think Japan is the strongest team in Asia.
I think so, yeah.
yeah.
I mean, in the World Cup, they can win against Germany, against Spain,
That's why.
Brazil, the last
Almost
World Cup.
win against.
Brazil. Who did they beat again?
Brazil.
Lupa lagi gue.
Oh yeah, sorry, my fault. Norway beat Brazil.
Norway.
Yeah, my
Norway.
fault.
Ya kan si Jepang ketemu Brazil hampir
Hampir.
unggul duluan.
Yeah. Terus comeback kan 2-1. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Brazil. So I mean like let's say tim nasional public expectation for the Indonesia national team was very high. Like even though let's say the current player lineup and many hope Indonesia can perform dominant, but for Rafa, how do you assess Indonesia performance and which area has the most potential to be maximized now? I mean like in Indonesia squad, let's say in IFF.
Yeah.
In AFF, no. So yeah, last game was not good because they lost 3-0. The games before that, I think they won and like
Yeah, they
won
quite
twice,
good, you know.
yeah.
You can always say the opponents were not the best, but you still have to beat them, you know. And I think they did it. And then I think it also played a role that they only have 3 days and they have to travel and stuff, so you get fatigued, you know. Because I also talked to some players and before the match and after the match, they were telling me like this is one of the reasons like that our performance
Fatigue.
wasn't the best is fatigue. But still, that is not, I think, an excuse. And I think against Vietnam has to be better than this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah. You cannot lose at home 3-0, right?
Yeah, hopefully when this publish, we won against.
And then
Yes,
you
because
remember
that's tonight, huh?
yeah, tonight we won, and then maybe we play Vietnam again, and
And
we
then
can win because you
yes.
remember 2010, 2011 IFF Alfred Riedel.
Yeah.
we beat Malaysia in the group stage and then we lost in the final. So it's possible, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's possible.
Crazy.
So let's wait for the game tonight,
Yep.
and then hopefully
Hopefully we
when this is out, we won.
Yes.
Amen.
Get it.
Amen.
I have you still
But
in
I think
Indonesia.
we still have a strong team now. So.
Yep.
Yeah. And keep in mind, it's without like 6 or 7 of the players who's playing in Europe, right?
Yeah.
So it's not like our
Yeah.
best team.
A lot.
Ya, Mimin Adas, kita akan bermain games baru ya di Stick Bola Biar Clear kali ini.
Yes.
Kita akan bermain setuju atau tidak setuju. Kalau bahasa Inggris apa, Mukti?
Agree to disagree.
Asik.
Or disagree.
Agree to disagree.
Agree or disagree.
Kalau agree to disagree berarti setuju untuk nggak setuju.
Nggak setuju, yes.
Ini
Agree
kayak
or
setuju
disagree.
nggak setuju. Jadi saya akan menyebutkan beberapa statement di sepak bola yang terkenal ya. Dan dalam hitungan ketiga kita semua ya?
Itu semua.
Ya.
Kita semua masih menjawab dengan mengangkat papan. Jadi papannya udah ada di sini. Apa?
Oke.
Thank you.
Ini udah setuju, tidak setuju. Oke, jadi hitungan 3 nanti tinggal diangkat. So in country kita semua gini ya. 1, 2, 3,
We do
1, 2, 3,
together.
we go together. Oke.
Okay.
Oke, the first
And
question.
then you have to explain the reason.
Yes,
right?
explain the
Yes.
reason. Okay, first questions. It is important for foreign players or coaches to master the local language for tactical communication and team chemistry. 1, 2, 3.
You
What this?
agree?
Yeah, I
It's
agree.
50-50.
Yeah, agree?
No.
Okay, Cicio dulu. Why?
Because now there's translators and then there's staff and
Yeah,
everything
that's
that can actually explain. Plus, if you talk about the Indonesian league specifically, like half of the team are foreigners. 11 players are foreigners, right,
True.
in the locker room. So it's better if you can speak the local language. But
Yeah,
if,
that's what I like.
it's
It's
better.
but it's not necessary.
It's not necessary. But again, if you're a foreign coach and you live in the country for a long time,
Yeah.
it's better for you to learn, I
Yeah.
think. I'm not taking shots at anyone, okay?
Okay.
I'm not. I am not.
Rafa tadi apa?
Yeah, I'd say
Agree.
it's better because it is more easy, you know. But now we have a lot of foreign players, foreign coaches.
True.
So we almost never speak bahasa Indonesia. We always speak English. Even sometimes the coach speaks Brazilian to players.
Really? How would you
so-
understand that?
I don't know. But that's what you're saying. We have like translators and stuff.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of languages going on,
Yeah.
but it's not always one.
Yeah.
True, true.
Kalau Mas Mukti gimana? Kenapa setuju? In English or
In English.
In English.
Because the translator is a human. Human is a human error or the human is lie. The coach say B, the translator C.
This-
Player.
I understand what he's saying.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Gitu.
It's like
Yes,
the
yeah.
translators also sometimes make mistakes. You know?
Yes.
And then the coach say go left, and the translator by accident say go right, and then misunderstanding. You know?
Misunderstanding.
If I may add, since my line of work is actually,
Yeah.
I'm an actor, I think the problem with translators, if they're not good, so if I'm the coach and I want to say something, you say it with emotions, right?
Yes.
And then when the translator translates it, the emotions are gone.
Yeah, that's
Yes.
the
It's a wrong,
Yeah.
the message is not the same anymore. I think
True.
that's also problematic.
Yeah.
Alright, langsung. Pertanyaan selanjutnya. Bermain di luar negeri, meski minim menit bermain lebih baik dibandingkan bermain di liga lokal. Tapi jadi main utama. 1, 2, 3.
50-50.
Oke, dari Rafa dulu.
It depends also, like what is limited playing time, like play nothing or sometimes
True.
play, you know. But I think it's always better to play as much as possible. And if you can be a regular starter, then I would always choose for that.
True.
Mas Mukti?
Yeah,
Kenapa tidak setuju?
in England.
England.
Manchester.
Manchester. Bahasa Indonesia nggak apa-apa Mas Muk.
Because in my opinion, football player is a people, is a human. Human.
Same reason.
Maksud gini aja lah udah bahasa Indonesia aja. Nanti Bang Dio yang ngertiin. Maksudnya pemain bola itu juga manusia. Pemain bola itu juga berkarir dan bekerja seperti halnya kita sehari-hari gitu. Jadi ketika dia memilih sesuatu pasti dia sudah mempertimbangkan apa yang baik dan tidak juga buat dia gitu. Jadi menurutku ketika pilihannya itu mungkin kurang disetujui orang-orang, ya sudah itu resiko yang dia ambil gitu. Tapi yang jelas saya itu membebaskan pemain bola itu juga punya karir, punya kebutuhan, punya ini loh gitu. Jadi atas pilihan menurutku ya human rights. Gitu.
Human rights.
Build the world.
Make it better. So Mukti said all the players is a human and they have a rights to choose their own career path.
True.
Pendek banget tadi. Jadi omongan Mukti banyak.
The example of bad translators. Long reason and then you reason.
That's why I don't
Real
want to be a
time.
translator. Because I remember when I was working in Bayangkara FC, our translator is off that day, and I need to translate to Simon McManamy. And I was like, and I'm bad translator.
Okay.
Say,
It's not easy translating. It's
yeah,
so hard.
Simon says blah 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 blah. I just like ini. Pendek. Saya dibayar bukan buat itu.
I remember a video of Jurgen Klopp explaining something to Darwin Nunez, I think. Thiago was there as a translator. Klopp spoke like for 2 minutes and then Thiago was just like, finish. I was like, that cannot be it.
And then Klopp was watching like,
You know the video.
Oke,
Tolong di bahasa Inggrisin. Tapi yang saya percaya dari komunikasi dalam sepak bola itu adalah bahasa hati juga. Ketika kita sudah sama-sama satu chemistry, saya yakin tanpa harus ngomong pun di dalam tim udah pasti tahu apa yang dimau teman satu timnya gitu.
Okay, so he was saying, communication inside a football team is not just words, but also from the heart. So for example, you have good chemistry, you know what your friends are trying to say or to do. So it's also important. That's what he thinks.
Yes.
I agree.
Yeah.
Lo kenapa begini?
Oh, ini kenapa? Karena it depends on the situation. Like for example, if you're a young player trying to break in the first team, sometimes it's better to fight for your place. But if you're like for example, Federico Chiesa in Liverpool, doesn't matter how good he plays. And then every time he plays 15, 20 minutes, he scores a goal or something. And then the coach just doesn't like him. He never plays anymore. It's better to just go home to Italy, for example. That's what I think. Case by case.
Every scenario is different.
Yeah.
Every people have their own life scenario.
True.
People change. People change. Oke, selanjutnya, tactics are more important than man management.
1, 2,
3.
Oh, setuju.
Ya.
Oh, setuju. Kenapa setuju?
Balik Bang tadi Mas.
Bisa aja lu ya.
Enggak, aku belum man manajemen itu apa maksudnya?
Ini
Megang
Zidane.
ruang ganti.
Zidane.
Ancelotti man management talk.
Sosok.
Allegri.
Allegri is bad with both.
Allegri is snake.
Why? Why?
Because he coach in Napoli.
No, but Spalletti, your coach, you have a tattoo of Napoli. That's also a snake.
Why?
What do you mean why?
Kan lu kenapa tidak?
Karena tactics is just implemented on the field. The rest of the time, footballers are also human beings. And you have to be comfortable, you have to be happy with the place you're living in, you have to be comfortable. If you're not happy with the situation in the locker room, doesn't matter how good the tactics are, you won't play good.
Yes.
Right?
Man management I think is very important because for me, like if a coach can convince you to like work for him, like give everything for him, then it's also more easy to follow his tactics. If he starts with do this, and doesn't give you like confidence or like explain it to you, then it's very difficult to follow everything, you know?
Gue ada contoh di film sih.
Apa?
Boleh nggak?
Boleh.
English. So 15 years ago, I'm 30 now for context. Like 15 years ago, I went to this talk show. It was about Indonesian movies. I was invited with Ariel Tatum, a female actress my age, and Bang Abimana, a senior actor, older. And I remember Deddy Corbuzier, the host, asked us, what's like the main priority for you guys when choosing a project or a film, a role? Me and Ariel, I don't remember who said what. I said the story, the script. She said the character, probably. At the time, Abimana's answer, Bang Abi, was weird for me. He said the working conditions. And I was like, what do you mean? And then turns out now I understand that you have a good script, but the people working is not together as a team putting their hearts into it. The film will be bad, But if the script is normal and everybody's like working, putting their hearts into it, the film will be good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's the same with a football
Good
team.
example, yes.
Yeah.
Mau nambahin Mas Mukti? Sebagai ahli tatanan bahasa dunia? Mau menambahkan?
Apa ya kalau di stand up comedy mungkin itu irisannya sama kayak persona kali ya. Di stand up comedy itu ada namanya persona. Persona tuh ciri khas kita gitu. Jadi ada beberapa stand up comedian tuh yang cara ngomongnya unik atau apa, tapi orang tetap bisa nerima. Tapi ada juga yang public speakingnya bagus gitu-gitu nggak lucu juga ada gitu. Jadi
Siapa?
kan kalau lucu kan selera.
Oke, kita lanjut ke pertanyaan selanjutnya daripada Mukti dicecer terus. Ya. Losing because of missed penalty is better than losing because of an own goal.
Wait, I'm trying to understand.
Wait,
this.
again?
Losing because of
Missed penalty.
Kalah, so you lose, you still lose, but you miss your
the
penalty, and then better than losing because you score an own goal.
Oh, I'm the one who scored
Yeah,
the
you
own
need
goal.
to score the own goal.
So, or you miss a penalty and you lose.
Yeah,
Or you
but
score.
the situation is your team still lose,
Yeah.
but the situation is the first you miss the penalty or you lose because you score the own goal.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
1, 2, miss penalty is better berarti ya?
Ya.
Miss penalty. 1, 1, 2, 3.
I don't know. You still lose. It's like choosing your
Both-
poison.
Both is bad.
Both is bad.
Yeah.
Both
Can I
is
do
bad.
this
Both
one
is
instead?
bad. Both is bad.
But it's bad.
Gimana? Lo setuju juga? Lo gimana Mas mau ketawa aja beliau?
Karena apa ya, Bang ya? Aduh, sama-sama buruk sih, tapi kayak kalau penalti itu dari sebelum kita nendang peluangnya emang 50-50 sih. Tapi kalau gol bunuh diri itu kayaknya lebih banyak kesalahannya dari kitanya menurutku ya. Tergantung gol bunuh dirinya di mana sih.
Iya sih.
Iya, ada yang dia diem terus kepental.
Iya,
Atau
iya.
dia bergerak tapi menyebabkan bola itu masuk.
Deflection.
Ya,
Depends
itu
on
sih.
the own goal.
Yeah, yeah.
Depends on own goal.
If you want to see good own goal, I remember Kondogbia versus Chelsea preseason from the half court.
Really?
Inter, he plays for Inter. He kicks from the midfield like Beckham against Wimbledon. But this
Ow.
one is own goal. I don't know. You ask Geoffrey Kondogbia. I don't know either. Yeah, ask him.
Alright,
I'll show you after this.
ada lagi nih? Oke, outside football. Money can buy happiness. Oke, 1, 2, 3.
50-50. 50-50.
Silakan Mas Mukti yang berbeda sendiri. Setuju? Kenapa setuju?
Apa?
Setuju. Gue juga deh, bener. Gue setuju. Lo
Iya,
setuju kan?
setuju.
Lo setuju?
Ah, iya.
Apa?
Belum pernah makan nasi garam sih. Punya duit bro kalau mau beli lauk.
He said like he is agree because when he was a kid he has a bad
Not privileged.
not privilege.
Yeah.
So he ate rice.
Rice with
Yes.
salt.
Yes.
Rice with salt.
Yeah.
Yeah, rice with salt and air berburu kancil di hutan.
Hunting kancil.
Kancil apa bahasa
Kancil
Inggrisnya?
bahasa Inggrisnya apaan guys?
Itu yang jadi pertanyaan.
Hunting
Dia
deer.
But it's not a deer, is it? Deer kan rusa.
Rusa, kancil bahasa
Kancil
Inggris.
bahasa Inggris.
Bahasa Inggris.
Kancil?
Mouse deer.
Mouse. I've never heard of that in my life.
Deer.
Do you know what a mouse deer is?
Mouse deer.
I've never heard of it.
Bos deer.
Lo kenapa? Money tidak setuju dia.
Look, money is important, yeah? But having too much
Yeah.
money is not the most important thing in life.
Yes.
For me, the most important thing is you have enough to survive comfortably.
Yeah.
And the rest of it, happiness comes from other stuff. Like family, friends, doing something you love. So money is not like the 100%.
Ya, not
Yeah.
100%.
No, it's not.
But it makes it easier.
Makes it easier, true.
Ya.
Soal money dam beradam.
Iya.
Ya, ada lagi pertanyaannya? Oh, udah cukup. Kita langsung aja masuk ke Ultra Moment Claim. Ini dia Ultra Gacor.
Oh, ini
Rafa mencetak gol brace ke Korea Selatan dan julukan El Klemer berubah menjadi a hero.
A hero.
Ya kan. Turnamen ini Piala Asia U23. Ini ada penalti ya?
Penalti, iya.
Penalti.
There's a penalti. There's a story about this. I remember it's really late in Indonesia.
Really,
Yeah,
like, really,
I
really.
remember.
I'm so tired, and then I remember Jason Hübner.
Iya.
He kicked the ball, he missed,
Yeah.
and I just threw the
Yeah.
and I slipped.
Oh, you was
I slept. After Justin,
You thought we lost.
Everybody thought we lost.
I sleep, and in the morning, I wake up and check the social media.
Oh, really? You didn't know?
I didn't know. I was like, hah? Ini gue yang salah? Or I live in the another universe? Like, oh, ini Indonesia. Itu kayak terus kayak di grup kayak baca gitu.
Yeah,
Oh
that's
kenapa ya? Oh menang. Jadi momen itu nggak ada tuh.
Very dramatic that match. I
Yeah.
remember.
I know. I only like
Dua kali
Yeah.
putaran adu penaltinya.
Yeah.
Satu pemain nendang dua kali kan?
The goalkeeper took the penalty as well, right?
Ya.
I mean like because
Some players have to shoot again. I
Yeah.
think.
Twice, yeah.
yeah, and
11,
then
11, 10.
because the match is really dramatic.
Yeah,
I think
and-
this is my craziest match
Yeah.
ever. Yeah, ever.
And you played really well. You scored 2 goals.
Yeah,
man.
thank you.
Yeah.
2 goals.
Because-
But I remember because this is super late. The next day, people working and everything, everybody was late.
Yes.
I went
Yeah.
physiotherapy in Gading Serpong because I have shoulder injury.
Yeah.
I came there, my physiotherapist was sleeping because he watched the match.
everyone watched the match. And
Everyone's watching.
if we live in Jakarta
Yes.
or BSD, the time difference is okay. But if you live in Papua,
Oh yeah. Indonesia.
totally.
Yes.
Yeah.
My father wake up in the morning, the eye is red.
Kurang tidur.
The eye is red, kurang tidur.
Because I'm the only one maybe in my
Like it's
circle
Uchiha,
who
the eye.
slept after Justin Hubner.
Yeah, that was crazy moment.
Crazy
Because everybody thought, even I thought that we lose.
Really?
And
Why
then-
did the penalty get taken again? Do
Because
you remember?
I think the goalkeeper was
was
off
not
his
on the line.
Yeah.
Ah, right. Yeah.
It's like
So yeah.
you know, like
Yeah, it's crazy.
turn off the TV. It's like because it's really late. It's late. But yeah, this is the moment against South Korea.
Yeah.
In
Incredible.
AFC under 23.
History.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
History, yeah.
I think there was the quarter final.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because we play Uzbekistan the next match.
Yeah, I
right?
was suspended that match.
Right,
That
and
was-
Rido got the red card early.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Against Uzbekistan, Kusanov is
Kuzanov,
is
Faizulev, a lot of their
Crazy.
national team players.
Yeah. Next we have ultra epic. Ini Rafael break his goal draw in Indonesia versus Bahrain.
Away, yeah?
Away. After you score goal at after 18 matches.
Yeah.
18
With the
matches.
national team.
With the national. Akhirnya mecah telur nih Rafa di ini. What's the apa ya dibilangnya? Kesulitan
Challenges.
Challenge.
Yeah, what's the challenge?
In that match, or?
I think this moment also was like very nice for me because, you know, all the hard work, you know,
Yeah.
finally got like a goal. Even though goal is not everything, but you know, for the people who watch football, it is, you know.
Yeah.
So yeah, that was nice for me, and it was also a very important match because it was for the qualifiers
Yes,
for
yeah.
World Cup, and yeah, we had to win, of course. I think this was actually also very late in Indonesia.
Very late,
Yeah.
yeah. Because extra time never ends until they score.
Yeah, yeah. That was this match.
Yeah,
This
this
match,
one.
I remember.
This is the moment that every people in Indonesia ranting about Bahrain.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I remember.
I remember also
Yeah.
this.
In the next day, I was in the bubur
Bubur.
porridge stall.
Bubur apa bahasa Inggrisnya?
Porridge.
Porridge.
Porridge stall near my apartment. And there's a ibu-ibu.
A lady.
The lady talking about this match.
The
I mean,
seller.
Oh, yeah.
The seller and the
Oh,
seller and
wow.
the lady talking about this match because the Bahrain nih lama-lamain,
Yeah.
talking about the injury time, the really long time
Yeah.
until Bahrain.
I mean, your goal could have brought us home to 3 points, man.
yeah,
Yeah, I think I was substituted like very late, and then I was watching from the bench.
Yeah.
So then I get more crazy, you know,
Yeah.
because you can't do anything.
yeah.
And then you see the extra time getting more and more.
More.
I remember also like everybody on the bench was getting
Yeah.
crazy. you
Yeah.
know.
But in your experience when Indonesia plays against the
Middle Eastern.
Middle Eastern national teams, always like that. I mean, like the referees always on their side or something.
Yeah, like you can say this, like this match was like
Yes.
extreme, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is extreme.
But I think it's not really that deep, but you can say that there's something, you know.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, if we scored another goal, then it wouldn't even matter
Yeah.
because then you have 2-0.
True. Yeah.
So like you also set yourself in the situation
Yeah.
that the referee can involve, you know.
Plus, I think the problem with these matches are like the small calls, you know? Like Indonesia
Yeah.
make one foul, yellow card immediately. And the other player makes 4 fouls, it's not even a
To
yellow
be honest,
card.
with my goal actually, I think Marcelino gets tackled.
Right.
He could have given a foul, but he say
Play on.
play on, and then that's when I scored. So
See?
Actually,
Small things like that.
that's something that was good from
Yeah.
the referee. So
Yeah.
Ah, oke. Oke.
Ya kalau ngomongin Timur Tengah pasti kan ada aja kualifikasi ketiga ini satu negara.
Ya, itu kan sponsornya dia juga. Gitu.
Kan kalau main home and away pasti kalah. Ya kan? Ya kan bisa udah kejadian.
Iya, udah.
Targetnya Piala Asia.
Bener dah, nasi udah jadi uduk.
World Cup qualifying.
World Cup qualifying, Olimpiade.
Yes,
gitu kan.
Olympics ya.
Olimpiade.
Ya kan.
Oh.
Tapi if we talk about the moments, what is your best moment or worst decision?
Moment in your
Moment
football
on your
career.
I have some good moments. I think I was very happy with my debut in the first team with ADO, but also with Timnas. Those 2 moments you just talked about.
Bad.
Yeah.
2 good moments.
Yeah. Oh, I thought the extra time. Your goal.
No,
your goal.
no, like
Sorry.
the goal
The goal.
and the Korea match. I think those were like one of the best moments in my career. And then worst moments, I would say like the whole story of I was suspended against Uzbekistan because I want to play, a semi-final of Asia Cup.
Yeah.
Then we lose. Okay, then we play against Iraq, I think. Iraq.
Yeah.
Iraq.
For
Iraq,
the loser final, you know.
Yeah, Iraq.
And then if we win that, we qualify for Olympics.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
So we score 1-0, I think Ifar scored. So, and then after that extra time, 1-1, and we lose.
Yeah.
Then we have one more chance for Olympic Games.
Yeah,
we
and
go
then
to
France.
Paris.
Yeah.
So that's the
Against
third chance to qualify
Qualify.
for Olympics. And that game we also lost. So
Yeah, the
after that, I think.
But that game, there was also controversies
Yeah,
with
yeah.
the
I
referee.
think there's a lot of controversies with.
Yeah.
But this one I remember because it was a penalty.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah. Yeah.
Remember we what's the goalkeeper about that time?
Our goalkeeper.
Enggak, goalkeeper siapa? Siapa
Who
keeper
played
yang
in goal?
lawan gini yang kan dia nepis penalti juga.
Yeah. Who? Do you remember who played?
Nando?
Hernando.
Maybe Nando. Yeah.
Yeah. There's too many
Yes.
fishy lah.
Yes.
Fishy. Kan fishy. Something fishy.
Yes.
Something fishy.
I remember the match the match play in small stadium.
Yeah, in Paris.
In
yeah.
Paris.
Yeah. There was.
Where was the referee from?
Oh, referee-nya yang Liga Champions, coy.
Iya, yang Liga Champions yang
Liga
juga
Champions.
masalah juga.
Emang iya kan?
Masalah juga kan?
Iya,
Masalah
iya.
juga kan? Problematik emang.
Siapa
Ah,
namanya?
elah.
So the referee apparently the reputation of the referee was also a bit problematic before that match.
Oh, yeah.
That's what they were saying. Yeah.
Ya, gitulah. Daripada ngomongin problematik, mendingan kita langsung masuk ke segmen paling skena. Ini adalah Muk Trivia paling clear.
Yes, of course.
Full English ya Mas.
Full English.
Full English. So Mukti will give us trivia about a football player who have a unique name.
Unique name, yes.
Oke, kali ini namanya apa Mas Muk?
Special
I have to sit here.
football pemain bola, football player,
Footballer.
footballer yang namanya mirip sarapan apa?
The
PR ya?
footballers who have a similar name with the breakfast.
Breakfast menu.
Breakfast menu.
Breakfast menu.
Silakan Mas Mukti.
Oke.
Ini breakfast menunya Indo apa luar?
Luar.
Eggplant.
Kamu yang nerjemahnya Bang ya?
Iya, gue sama Cicio bisa aman, tenang aja.
Kasihan Rafael jauh-jauh sini nggak tahu apa yang diomongin. Yang pertama datang dari pemain West Ham United Bang.
Ya,
West Ham player.
West Ham player. Nama pemain ini
his name?
mirip sarapan yang menggunakan daging.
Okay. The players' names are similar with the breakfast who have beef.
Yes, English breakfast.
English
Yeah.
breakfast.
This player is Maxwell Cornet.
Ngomongnya corn, bukan cornet.
Corn. Kalau di warung cornet.
Nah ini kalau,
Cornet.
but ini oke di bahasa Indonesia, tapi kalau di bahasa Inggris
Nggak
ini
masuk.
gitu.
Ya makanya kasih tahu Bang. Coba.
Gimana ngasih tahu dia?
Cornet di Indonesia tuh makanan.
Cornet is Indonesia. Ya iya pasti tahu lah.
you know.
Yes. Iya.
Cornet.
Internet. Cornet.
No noodles again. Problem again for him with
dia pasti
noodles.
pengen, dia
Bad influence.
Bad influence.
Oke.
Being a football in Indonesia is quite hard because the food is very good.
Ya.
Yeah.
You can eat gorengan. You know your teammate who eat gorengan?
Eat gorengan?
I can't say.
Noodles with cheese,
With cheese and corned beef. You know that?
beef.
It's a term.
Yeah.
Internet.
Oke, selanjutnya datang dari pemain dari Bosnia.
The next players is from Bosnia,
Bosnia umurnya 23 tahun.
23 years old.
The position is attacking midfielder. Nama pemain ini tuh mirip dengan fast food dari daging juga, Bang.
Oh, his name similar with the fast food,
Yes.
also with beef.
Yeah.
also beef, yeah.
This name is his name ya.
Where does he play? Where does he play?
Play in Bosnian Premier League,
Oh, Bosnian Premier League.
BPL.
BBL. BBL. Oke. Namanya
He
siapa?
is Majid Sosis. Majid Sosis.
Sausage.
Sosis.
Sausage. Dah, ngomongnya bukan sosis, sausage.
C kan dibaca S juga, Bang.
Kagak, kalau di sana C jadi sausage gitu ngomongnya sausage.
Bukan sosis.
Gue pernah dimarahin sama orang Balkan ngomong salah.
Sausage.
Kalau ini C itu pasti sausage. Gitu.
Sausage.
ngomongnya.
Oke.
Perisic.
Modric. Perisic, Modric.
Lanjut ya, Bang, ya.
Ada lagi?
Selanjutnya dari Liga Bangladesh. Liga Bangladesh.
Kok ketawa lu Liga Bangladesh?
Ada.
Lagi Bangladesh. Enak sih
From
di Bangladesh.
Bangladesh League.
Yeah, try. You should try.
No, don't try. Noodles again, problem again for
Oh,
him.
next season, after season end. After season end.
Boleh, boleh.
After season end. Silakan.
Dari Bangladesh, his position and forward.
His position is forward.
Ya, dan nama pemain ini mirip sarapan di Indonesia.
Nah, his name quite familiar with breakfast in Indonesia.
Ya, he is Mahbubur Rahman Sufit. Bubur.
Mahbubur.
How you find this player?
Exactly, man. That's what I always
That's
ask.
the thing. We never know how he do it. Mahbubur. Oh, berarti dia kayak Mahbubur. Ya kan? Mahbubur. Tapi lagi free agent dia. Terakhir main di Brothers Union.
Yes.
kan?
Bangladesh national team.
Bangladesh national team dia.
Oh, timnas Bangladesh ya?
Iya, Mahbubur. Mahbubur. Oke, kita langsung sudah di akhir penghujung acara Speak Bola Biar Clear. Dan seperti biasa kita akan bertanya satu pertanyaan kepada narasumber kita semua. Cici udah pernah tanya waktu itu
Sudah.
kan. Yang ngebuat akhirnya dia viral di TikTok kalau akhirnya dia ternyata sudah single.
Sudah, jangan diulang-ulang.
Enggak cuy.
Jangan
Orang
diulang-ulang.
tahu dia single gara-gara kita.
Iya, ada yang nge-post.
Ada yang nge-post.
Oh iya.
Clippers
Iya,
ada.
Clippers. So everyone knows Cicio and he suddenly lu nggak sengaja ya?
So you want the context?
Yeah.
I had a girlfriend in the same industry as me. I broke up, but nobody knows, right? And then they asked me about what football means to me. It was hockey caraka. And then I told him like, it's the same. When I play football, my problems disappear. So does my girlfriend. And then it went viral.
Really?
Everyone knows
The same question.
Same question. Cicio
So be careful.
Cicio viral because Cicio jadi single ketahuan gara-gara kita.
Gara-gara hoki tuh.
Bangga gak sih kita?
Kenapa?
Yang Cici mah 5 menit lagi punya pacar bisa. Cici mah 5 menit tapi di sini. Nembak orang juga diterima di jalan gitu.
Dia buka DM langsung kayak hai.
Ke depan ada mbak-mbak counter tembak aja. Terima.
Okay, the questions for Rafa. What does football means to you?
A lot. For me, football is my life, to be honest. I started growing up playing football since I was able to walk, you know. My mother always told me when I was in her belly, I already were kicking, you know. So no, I think football is very important to me. Also, as you were saying, like, it's, if you have like problems, this or that in life, you know, then you can always come back to football. I'm very grateful and happy that I can have football as my job, you know. So yeah, I'm grateful for that. And even like when I have off days, when I have like holiday, I always do something with football, or I watch football, or I take a ball with me to the beach, you know. So it's always been football for me.
Very deep. Very nice.
Kalau begitu berarti memang beberapa pekan lagi mood kita semua akan ditentukan oleh sepak bola.
Betul.
Karena Liga sudah kembali mulai ya.
Betul.
Ya kan? So in the next 2 or 3 weeks, our mood every weekend on every Monday morning will decide by football.
And also because of the national team tonight.
Yes,
Yes.
national team. Hopefully when this
Hopefully,
national teams won against Singapore,
Amen.
we qualify to the semifinals. Probably it's gonna meet Thailand. Yeah, Thailand because Thailand is
Malaysia no ya?
No, Malaysia runner up.
Yeah, Thailand ya.
So hopefully. And then for Vipin Dedes, 9 months you will watching football and 9 months your mood tergantung sepak bola.
Yes.
Iya.
Jadi berhati-hatilah. Ya kan?
Vipin Dedes, experience is the best teacher. Kan ngasih kuat, saya juga ngasih kuat.
Oke, bagus lagi. Tapi bagus. Mungkin enggak boleh eksperiensi itu bisa ada lanjutan lagi gitu, enggak ada.
No.
Enggak ada. Ya berarti ya. Terima kasih juga kalau begitu Cicio.
Thank you.
Terima kasih Rafa for stopping by.
Thank you for having me, guys.
Thank you very much. Dan yang paling penting terima kasih pada sponsor tercinta kita Clear. Dan juga ingat mood kalian ditentukan oleh sepak bola 2-3 pekan lagi. Jadi berhati-hatilah. Pergunakan akal sehat kalian dalam mendukung sepak bola, jangan berlebihan. Karena sepak bola adalah sepak bola saja.
Dan harusnya menyatukan.
Menyatukan, gitu. Apa maksudnya mau tambahin?
Football United, football is me is football.
Udah, beres.
Thank you.
Thank you.